When we come out, 95% of the bulk water we remove through extracting using extraction units. The other 5% we remove through mechanical means using dehumidifiers and air movers. So a dehumidifier, imagine a Coke can on a park bench on a hot day. Condensation comes across and sets up on the Coke can, slides down and creates that ring on the wood. Imagine a dehumidifier as an energized Coke can that we set in a wet room with wet materials. We plug that unit in and it creates that condensation. It pulls the air across coils inside that unit in order to remove the moisture from the air, just like a Coke can would from the air around it. And so that moisture will drip down, go through a drain and out. And so that allows us to lure the moisture out of the materials by creating a super dry environment using that dehumidifier.